Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Also, in the comments below, please leave what you want me to try and play, okay? Thank you. Alright, another spin bonus and Chen Shen's gift. Let's get a full screen. It'll be $2,000, guys. Come on, let's get this, baby. Alright, how about free spin, guys? Come on, let's get a coin in the middle. If you could get a coin or the star in the big square there, then you could go into the spins again. So come on, baby. Big one. Back to Stampede Fury 2. Minimum bet. Got into this bonus. Let's get 100 buffaloes. 100, 60, 20. Oh, 20 buffalo added and 8 free spins. Let's see if we can do some damage, guys. Come back to Chashin's gift. Come on, let's hit that. Let's hit that. Spin. Put a star. Put a dollar amount in a bowl. Can we do it? Oh, there we go, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's get a full screen. It'll be $1 grand. Boom. Oh, no. Boom. Oh no, last spin, guys. Come on, let's get a. Oh. And the star, you get a prize. It could be minor, mini, or a grand, I believe. Mini, minor, major, or grand. We got the mini for 10. Alright, just going back and forth between these machines. Just got this fireball coin bonus spin and the regular Stampede Fury. Let's get a big one, guys. Oh, there we go. There's a minor for 250. Come on, let's get a full screen. Can we do it? Wow, that was fun. I think I'm gonna cash this out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more videos, okay? Thank you very much, guys. Good luck out there.